What's your name?
My name is Israel Dubesi.
You're from where?
From Enugu State, residing in Kano East.
Can you please tell us your experience with the Nigerian military operatives?
Yeah, the experience was so sad. They really attacked us massively where we had a meeting in Asaba and killed many people and went away with the dead body and also arrested some people alive. And one of my brother, my friend, so we all went searching for him, you see, so, and traced it to B division in Asaba, you see. Then two of us was arrested, you see, and taken to Owash prison. They are still there up till now, you see. So somebody also gave me a contact that I should go to state CID and find out there are dead body and some things they dropped. You see, so I went to state CID. You see, then through the help of one of the police person that gave me contact. You see, so while I was there asking, trying to inquire. You see, then I met together with the two police. You see, so they started interrogating me and beat me, tortured me massively. If I know it, they pulled my clothes and took me to the prison. You see, then the person that I moved there with his contact later got the information. You see, that look at what happened there. So he came and bailed me the following day. They even took away my small phone and took away my 3,000 naira, the money I went there with 3,000 naira. You see, so the following day I also went searching of that guy. You see, I got information that
what's the guy's name?
The guy's name is maybe Moko.
Who is he to you?
He's a brother, he's a friend.
Okay.
You see, then we also went searching when we got information that the army that came to do the operation, you see, in that meeting was not from Delta State, you see, but they came from Enugu, you see. So I was like, which barrack, you see. So I took risk, you see, with one of my friends, my brother too. We went to.
What's his name?
His name is Kenneth Emmanuel, you see. So then, while getting to the 80 division gate, then army just two of them were just sit down, just stand up. He just ran out of here and crossed main road. So one of the army, two of them told me, if you move, I will shoot you. I stood, you see. So they now begin to ask me, what are you doing here? Why do you came here? So I tell them the story that where we went to meeting, family meeting, army attacks us and kill people and carry away the dead body. So one of the Hausa army said, so you people are Biafra people. You see. So I stood. Before I know it, they begin to panic beat me, use shoe and everything, tell them to shoot me. You see. So they took away my iPad phone with two SIM card and took away my ID card. So before I know it, I landed in a very dark place. You see.
Who took you to this dark place?
The two of the Hausa army soldier, two of them dragged me, you see, and pulled my clothes. They even tear my clothes.
How would you know the Hausa people?
If I see them, I will know them. If I see them, I will know them. I don't know their names. You see. So then later, about going to 2 weeks, and we spent there, no water, no food.
Where did you spend the 2 weeks?
In the 82 division in Enugu Barrack.
Okay.
You see. Then very dark place. You see. So later, somebody came from the army. You see, came there with my ID card. You see, and begin to call the name, who owns the ID card, this and that. So out of fear, I didn't stood up immediately. Later I say, after all, man will just die. Man will just die once. You see, I stood up and said, I'm the one. And he called me. He asked me, are you Igbo person? I said, yes, I'm an Igbo person. What is your name? I told him. He said, I've seen the ID card. He took me to some place, and began to tell me that in case in the night, you see, somebody came and began to ask us, what is your name? Do not.
Who was saying this to you?
The army guy that the Yoruba person gave my ID card to, you see, and he traced and came. He was telling me, in case in the midnight, if somebody come here, if somebody come and begin to ask me, then I should not respond at all. You see, I said, okay, there's no problem. You see, then he later came back again and asked me, in that place, we have about 70 people. So every night, they would carry 2-3 healers around 12:30, 1 o'clock, carry 2 or 3 healers, come and pack people that they want to take them to police.
Around what time?
Around 12:31. Midnight. They will carry healers and they want to take people to police. So all of us, we will begin to reduce. So when the army guy came again, you see, with somebody. He now begin to give me tell me particularly what happened, what is going on. That if I hear that they are taking people to police by 1:30, 12:30 to 1 o'clock, you see, that they are taking them unknown destination, kill them, they have not, that is just like that, they won't come back.
Do you know those who are responsible for this? Are they Hausa Fulani?
The Hausa Fulani soldier, Fulani soldier that are doing this. You see, we begin to reduce. So when he came back the second time, asked me, how many of us Biafra people are here? I said, I don't know, it's only me. He said I should ask. So when I asked, then about 8 people raised hand from plus me. He now took us a place, you see, and begin to buy rice for us. Normally, before in that place where we have about 7 of them, they will bring one takeaway with 1 spoon and ask you, take 1 spoon. You pass it to the other person will take 1 spoon, just for a week.
So that's how they feed people?
Yes,
once in a week?
For complete in a week, one takeaway plate that 1 person will consume. Anywhere the rice finished, those people who did not reach will just stop for until the next week again. So the army person, that is the Igbo guy, you see, now came and took 9 of us, you see, away. After they have reduced us to about 15, you see, now took 9 of us away and begin to give us rice. You see, that particular night they took us away very close to where the remaining 6. They came that night and with healers and packed the 6 that remained. Came in our midst, you see, Biafra people out of 9 and packed 5 and joined them. You see, so and take them away to police according to the way they normally say in the midnight. So the guy came the following day in the morning, you see, and discovered that we only 4 out of 70 something.
So what do you mean taking them away to the police?
Anytime they say according to what he told me, because he's an army also, he said anytime we hear they are taking them to police, that they are taking them on no destination to go and kill them and bury them like that, and came back around 2 or 3 o'clock.
And without traces?
Without traces. You see that trace where this thing is happening in Enugu, they cannot trace it. And he told me that you can hardly see army person who is a Biafra, you see, with any phone that has camera. Because they normally picture it and send it. Even at the backyard, you will see people with short knicker, Biafra people, guys, youth with short knicker. They will tie their 2 legs, tie the 2 hands, and bend them, tie them on the tree like that, you see, and use rope and carry 2 blocks or concrete, put at the middle of their back. Once the person suffocates, you see, or a kind of breathe last, the person will be among the person they are going to carry around 12 o'clock. Say they want to take them to police. They will take them to police, join them, pack them massive like that. So when he came, he now find out that now we only remain about 4 of us. So he was so bitter, began to ask me, don't I have anybody that I will call, that I have spoken with one of the Hausa guy person? Don't I have anybody I'm going to call? He spoke with him, he told him to go and bring 300 and he began to beg, because he himself also speaks Hausa. So he began to beg and beg and beg and beg. And the man, Hausa man, the army man, now told him to go and bring 150. You see, so when I now call person, so the person I now called to explain things was the wife of the guy that we are looking for. You see, so he now gives somebody called Kenneth the number. You see, Kenneth now talk with him and bargain on 100,000 naira. You see, after that, they see that raising that money will be very, very late. That people will come and carry us and take us to police. You see, unknown destination. So what he did is that he just in the night called about 3 other Biafra people who are our army in that barrack. In the night around 12:30, he called them, start discussing. So what they are going to do is to do the same thing, to use that system that they have been using to go and kill people. So the system they used was that around 12:30, they now called 4 of us that remain. 1 person from Abakaliki, 2 from Iguacha and River State. You see, then I from Onitsha. So around 12:30, he now called 4 of us and put us in the healers. Write something and put on our chest. We are taking them to police. And he told us if we enter healers, we should just lie down helplessly. You see, as if we have died. We are weak. And we are very, very weak. So around 1 o'clock, he now drove that healers with the one other Igbo guy that carry healers in the night. You see, so getting to the gates of 82 division out as you are going out. So there are more than 10 Hausa soldiers. You see, they now ask them, where are you going? So he used Hausa to reply them. The Igbo army guy used Hausa and reply them that they are taking them to police. He now held them very, very well. So he drive us to Old Park. You see, when we are going in the night, 4 of them were speaking Igbo. You see, so he drive us to Old Park in Enugu State around after 2. and went to the peace park and knocked at the gate. They have locked the gate. The security came out. You see, I'm telling you how I personally came out. You see, so without money. So the security now came out and he asked security which motor is going to Onitsha and Ebonyi State. He referred us to the next park that this particular one we came is Abuja and Lagos Park. So we now enter Hilos. He took us to that one going to Ebonyi State and the Onitsha Park. So he knocked at the gate. The army people knocked at the gate. So the security now came. You see, so he asked them, is this one going to Onitsha and Park? He said yes. So army man now beg the security man. You see, say please take this money. That these people are very, very weak. We are weak, very, very weak that time. We don't see food, water to drink. For complete going to a month, you see, and you see, 1 week. So he now begged the security man collected money from him. So he now told him that daybreak by 6 o'clock, collect receipt going to ticket going to Onitsha and put this man, give this man the ticket, give this one going to Ebonyi State. Then the other two is going to River State. So they drove out and wrote something like a phone number and account number telling me that there have been 7 people here, that our people have died. I can see it with my eyes. More than 77 people died. We were about 78. You see, minus 4 of us that remain alive. The rest we have been taken to police. Young people.
Are they IPOB members?
They are IPOB people. The Ebonyi State guy, how he was arrested, because I asked him, he said that he was he wear something Biafra in Ebonyi State, Abakaleke. Then one Hausa guy will begin to make mockery of him. You call yourself Biafra, that you are not going anywhere, and now the guy must die. So he became angry with him. So he began to exchange words with him. So the Hausa man told him, wait me now, I'm going to call my brother who is army, he will carry you and go and kill you. So out of joke, he made call within 25-30 minutes. Look at Hilos, drive like this, and bundle him, tortured him from that place. They took him. That was how they landed in the 82 division. You see, that was how he landed like that. You see, that was how he landed. So I say, wow. So this is how our people are being marginalized and killed like that. You see, so in the morning, the guy, security guy, because after the army have left, I just fell asleep as I was very, very weak. So the morning around after 6 to 7, the security guy in the peace park, the park, came and wake 2 of us, give me receipts. That he have bought receipt to Onitsha. He gave me tickets. I now enter to Onitsha. He said he gave me number, the person that he called to send money to him. So with the account, I should give the person an account. I should tell the person that they have been, with them the Biafra, the Igbo people who are Biafra people, have been enslaved. And the reason why they don't want to leave Barak is because of what is there. And if they leave Barak, they will lose the remaining thing they have to kill us massively. So they themselves say no, that they are going to stay, whatever it is going to cost. That we should put more money that money he agree with, he discuss with the guy, so that they can get strength to, because they are using our money to buy food and do other things to us. So when I got to Peace Park, I now called the guy that he talked with. I was not there when he talked with him. The guy explained everything. He said, yeah, that somebody two army called him, you see, and explained, discuss something like this. So he now sent somebody from my area. The person now come to Peace Park Onitsha and pay my ticket to my house. You see, so before I got to my house, not knowing that the people, the family of the guy, all of us are looking for, have been terrorizing, looking for me and my family with SARS and police. Not knowing that my family, my wife and children, have even packed in the village. You see, for almost going to a month. You see, so somebody gave me information. I now, because I carry my wife's number up here, I now called my wife's number. She was shouting that he never know that he's going to set his eyes on me. You see, so that was how I escaped death with my 2 eyes. More than 70-something people, young people. Once you are called Igbo or Biafra, this is how they have finished us massively. Yes, they have finished us. These are what is happening in so many. Even the army man told me that this thing has been happening in so many barracks, likewise police station. Yes, so when I now came, so I called this our sister. See what has happened. He said I should come to his house. I now bought taxi, you see, from Miran and Bangira area, going to his house. After road safety, I see 2 healers of police, SARS and Mopo that parked in. You see, so they stopped the taxi. I was in the front. So the taxi, because the taxi man put the Biafra flag in the front. So then I asked the taxi man, what are you doing with this flag? He said, the taxi man said, it is my flag. He asked him again, the taxi man said, it's my flag. He cleared him. You see, so the Hausa guy called one police person, say, see, is this not Biafra flag? The second Hausa person, the police in Mopoli called, say, yes, it's Biafra flag. So then I asked the guy, what are you doing with this? He said, it's my flag. You see, so he asked our Hausa man to bring handcuff the guy and enter motor and drove. So I now came out from the taxi and I begin to tell the Hausa, the police, say, why are you intimidating us to this extent? What has this man done to you? Just because simply he put flag and told you that it is my flag. You see, why not allow this man to go? He gave me a slap. I said, if you slap me again, you will see all of us will die here. He bundled all of us, me and the guy, and drove the taxi, carried the healers, follow us to Grand Hotel, police station. You see, they packed us in that place. You see, so, and begin to say a lot of things, You see, so we waited around after 9 to 10. From this, when they carried us was around after 6. I was going to this our sister house. You see, around after 10. So one of the DPO came, and I perceive must be in charge of that A division in Asaba. So he asked, why did these people are here? They begin to explain. He said that they carry Biafra people, this and that. So the man called me. You see, because I was in the counter, the other guy they have pushed the other guy into cell. You see, I told him I will not enter cell until he tell me what offense I have committed. If not, I'm ready for all of us to die. After I don't value my life again. You see, I have seen a lot of things. So the DPO now called me. I explained. When I was telling DPO, I asked the DPO, do you want truth? He said yes. I said, if you want truth, listen to me. So he asked me. I said that I was in the taxi in the front. You see, then they cleared us and saw flag, Biafra flag at the boy front, and began to ask the boy, what is this? He said, it's my flag, about 3 times. Then I cleared him, and he called one of the Hausa people, and they begin to try to carry the boy and wait away. I say, what I said is, Oga, why are you intimidating us this way? Somebody carry flag, has he committed offense? The guy slapped me and began to, that was how we landed here. So he said,
the DPO, where is he from?
I don't know where the guy is from, but he went with them and told me to go back to Kanta. So then till the following day, around after 8 to 9, so DPO was like coming work in the morning. So he saw me at the counter, you see. So he began to make noise, say, so these people are here, but I told you yesterday to allow these people to go, that did not commit any offense. Why do you pull? You are looking for money. He was so angry. He began to look for the person who is in charge of the case. Then the person was there, you see, but they begin to hide. So it's okay. Oh yeah, go and bring the other man out from the prison. He went and bring.
What's your name?
My name is Israel Tubesi.
You're from where?
From Enugu State, residing in Kano East.
Can you please tell us your experience with the Nigerian military operatives?
Yes, I want to know which way Nigeria is heading to. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? Which way to go? Which way to go? I love my fatherland. Oh yeah, I want to know which way Nigeria is heading to. Many years after independence, we still find it hard to start. How long shall we be patient before we reach the promised land? Let's save Nigeria, so Nigeria won't die. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? Tell me which way to go. I love my fatherland. Oh yeah. Yes, I want to know which way Nigeria is heading to. Every little thing that goes. brutality and abandon, or everywhere is war.
Till there are no longer first class, second class citizens of any